Having the right camera can completely transform your photography and videography experience. In this video, I'm going to break down my top 6 cameras to ensure you never miss capturing the perfect moment. A camera that works great for your friend might not be the best for you, because most cameras are designed with different users in mind. That's why I've included options for all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect camera for you. All links to find the best prices on the products mentioned are in the description below. The cameras are in no particular order, so stay tuned until the end to make sure you don't miss anything. First up is the Fujifilm X-T5, my top pick for an all-around excellent camera. The Fujifilm X-T5 stands out with its superb image quality, compact design, and advanced features. It features a 40MP APS-C sensor that delivers stunning resolution and dynamic range, making it perfect for both photography and videography. The X-T5 also boasts in-body image stabilization, a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, and versatile film simulation modes that give your photos a unique and artistic touch. Its robust build quality and weather-sealed body make it a reliable choice for any shooting condition. If you're looking for a high-end camera that delivers exceptional performance without the high-end price, the Fujifilm X-T5 is an excellent choice. Next, I have the Canon EOS R10, which offers the best value for its price. The Canon EOS R10 excels with its 24.2MP APS-C sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF2, and impressive 4K video capabilities. The camera's lightweight and compact design make it perfect for travel and everyday use. The dual-pixel autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focus, even in challenging lighting conditions. The EOS R10 also features a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which is great for vlogging and shooting from various angles. With its combination of high-quality performance and affordability, the Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic option for those seeking the best value in a camera. For filmmakers, the Panasonic Lumix S52 is an outstanding choice. This camera features a 24.2MP full-frame sensor, advanced video recording options, and excellent low-light performance. The Lumix S52 supports 4K 60p 10-bit video recording, Vlog EV gamut, and dual native ISO, making it a powerful tool for filmmakers. The in-body image stabilization ensures smooth and stable footage, even when shooting handheld. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and its robust build quality ensures durability. If you're a filmmaker looking for a versatile and high-performance camera, the Panasonic Lumix S52 is the perfect choice. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is ideal for content creators. This camera features a 20.1MP full-frame sensor, outstanding autofocus capabilities, and impressive video performance. The EOS R6 Mark II offers 4K 60p video recording, dual-pixel CMOS AF2, and in-body image stabilization, making it perfect for creating high-quality content. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD and excellent low-light performance ensure versatility and ease of use in various shooting scenarios. With its combination of advanced features and user-friendly design, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is an excellent choice for content creators looking to elevate their work. For those seeking a premium camera, the Nikon Z8 is a top-tier option. This camera boasts a 45.7MP full-frame sensor, outstanding dynamic range, and superior autofocus performance. The Nikon Z8 supports 8K video recording, making it a powerhouse for both photography and videography. The camera's robust build quality and weather-sealed body ensure durability in any shooting condition. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting touchscreen LCD provide excellent usability and flexibility. If you're looking for a premium camera that delivers exceptional performance, the Nikon Z8 is the best choice. Finally, the Sony Alpha 7 IV stands out as the best model for 2024. This camera features a 33MP full-frame sensor, advanced autofocus system, and impressive video capabilities. The Alpha 7 IV offers 4K 60p video recording, real-time IAF, and in-body image stabilization, making it a versatile and powerful tool for both photographers and videographers. The camera's compact and lightweight design, along with its robust build quality, ensures ease of use and durability. With its cutting-edge features and exceptional performance, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is the top choice for 2024. For the most updated pricing on these cameras, check the links in the description. Prices change frequently with sales and discounts, so be sure to get the latest information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.